some milk. Baby Sour. Baby Sour. Sour. This milk. This is your milk, Sour. This you want. Or milk. She's drinking it upside down. Why is she drinking it upside down?
I think she's just playing with it. You're making her laugh.
This way, this way. She liked it. Sour, baby, Sour. That's your milk, Sour. And want to drink it or drink it upside down. You don't drink it upside down.
Does she have any more bread that you could feed her?
I want some cookies.
Cookies? We don't eat cookies for lunch.
Yes,